Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a note widget in Widgetable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Widgetable application. After that, you just need to go and log in or register, or you can go come as a guest. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. At the bottom, as you can see, we have the Explore, the Wallpaper, and the More tabs. So we have those three tabs where you can see on the More tab, you have everything about your profile where you can go again and log in. But now let's see how to add a note widget in Widgetable. So basically what you need to do guys is go and here when you're on the featured screen. So this is the good screen where you should be. Then you just need to go and scroll down and find the note widget. So it can be all kind of note widgets. You can see, you will see, sorry. So when you scroll down, scroll. Here, as you can see, you have friends note. You have some other drawing note. As you can see, another drawing note, another friend note. So those are the notes that you can go and of course go and add. So let's, for instance, go and click on this drawing note. This is a new widget. So let's check it out. Here you can go and see everything about it. You can go and select a friend. Draw a note, save it, and you will have it in your widget. So it is pretty simple. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.